Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Tab P11 second generation, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face recognition option works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device less than 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock method. I just suggest you to try the face unlock method on this device. But be careful, because the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.